Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export Airtable to PDF. All right. First up, go ahead and open up your project or workspace. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and select the tab where you want it to print. For example, video projects right here. All right. Now go ahead and select the view. For example, grid view or Kanban. All right. For example, we're going to print Kanban. Now, if you don't have a view yet, go ahead and go to the very bottom right here and select your preferred view. All right. Going back, Kanban. And here in the top left, we have Kanban, right? Click on the drop down and click on print view. Click on it. Now go ahead and select the sizing. For example, I'm going to save it as A4, portrait or landscape. It's up to you. Sizing, actual size, font size, we have extra small to large or extra large. All right. If you want to include these three, like add view name as title, include row numbers, wrap long text onto multiple lines, go ahead and use the sliders. All right. Once that's done, just go ahead and click on print, wait for it. And instead of printing it to your printer, go ahead and go to the printer option right here and click on a drop down and make sure that you select Microsoft Print to PDF. Okay. Click on it, then go ahead and click on print. Now, for example, I'm going to save it on my desktop. I'm going to rename it as Video Project Space Kanban 2 right here. So I'm just going to hit on save. After that, minimize the window. And here we have the Video Project Kanban 2. So I'm just going to open it up. And as you can see here we have our PDF. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.